Alright, hello there everyone. This is IB Chemistry 11 here with our Electronegativity lab, and we're going to just give you a rundown of what we've done today. Alright, here you go. Sam, take her away.
Alright, so in this test tube we had our control for iodine water, and as you can see it's dark brown and bloody red. In this test tube number 2, we have our chlorine water control, and in this test tube number 3 we have bromine water for our control.
Yes, very interesting.
Alright, so we added NaCl to bromine water, to chlorine water in test tube number 7.
7?
Yes, number 7.
Not that stressed.
7. Number 7.
What? Sorry, number 4.
Sorry. Number 4.
Was this like the bromine salt, or was it just?
We're filming, Lydia.
Sorry.
This
so
was.
Better be.
Hi.
I'm not sure. No, it was the bromine. Yeah, we added
that's
bromine.
number 4.
Yeah, we added. No, this is iodine salt.
Iodine salt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, are we gonna
Start over. No, we can't restart.
Now what?
Okay.
You are now running on reserve battery power.
Okay, number 4. This is.
Alright,
milky at the
number
bottom.
4, we added NaCl, so basically a salt containing chlorine, and no reaction happened because chlorine cannot displace chlorine, so the color will not change. In test tube number 5, we added bromine water to the chlorine salt, and the color changed to orange.
Wait. Just to clarify, in here is 2 milliliters of diochloromethane, and then a solution of NaCl and water, and then we added bromine and H2O to that. So that's what's in here. Okay, continue.
Yes. So the bromine water remained yellowish because of the lower electronegativity of bromine as opposed to chlorine. So then in test tube number 6 we added iodine water, and it's initially brown-red and it remains brown-red because it's not reactive enough to displace chlorine from the sodium.
Not electronegative enough? Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
The electronegativity.
Alright, in the next set of tubes, we had NaBr salt mixed with water and diochloromethane. Is that the reactant? Yeah. Diochloromethane. And then we added chlorine to the NaBr and diochloromethane, and it was clear and sort of milky.
Well, initially it was yellow, but now it's turned milky.
There's a very faint yellow.
It's a faint yellow tinge.
It's not seeable through the camera, but
It's there. Yeah. And why is that?
And that is because bromine is yellow in color, and when because the chlorine is electronegative enough to steal bromine's electrons away, we get 2 bromine ions which covalently bond, and they give off their natural color, which is yellow. Right.
now we have number
8.
which was NaBr with bromine. Water?
Alright, so in this, no reaction happens here because we got bromine on both sides, so they're equally electronegative, so they don't steal any electrons away from each other, and the color remains the same. So lastly, we added iodine water to the NaBr solution. And as iodine is the least electronegative of the halogens of which we're testing, because we also have acetone, but we're not testing that. The color remains brownish red because as its natural color, because it doesn't have the enough positive charge to steal away bromine's electrons.
All right. So then we did the sodium iodine and water and the indicator, which was diochloromethane in these last three. So number 10 here was mixed with chlorine.
So chlorine is electronegative enough to steal away the iodine's electrons and make it covalently bond with itself because it's no longer an ion. So it gives off its color, which is brown-red, and that's what we get in our testing.
Alright. Next one, number 11, mixed with bromide.
Right. So bromide is slightly less electronegative than chlorine, but again, it's more than iodine. So it does the same thing that chlorine did last time, and it steals away iodine's electrons and displaces it and makes it form its brown-red color.
Cool, very cool.
Lastly was mixing it with iodine.
Yeah.
Yep. So just kind of like diluted in color.
Yeah. It wasn't able to do anything to itself.
Alright, there you have it. See you next time. Science IB 11.